Hey friends, and Merry Christmas. Okay, so this is a very special video for you, my sweet friend Tina. That is right. Archie contacted me and we have a little bit of a Christmas present for you. I am in shenanigans with your husband. So he is treating you for your Christmas present to a $1,000 shopping spree here at Creekside Nursery. Whenever you are ready to come shopping in 2026, you can come see us, hang out. I will happily help you spend that $1,000. If you need something special, just let us know. We can order it for you. It doesn't matter. But we are so incredibly thankful for you and Archie, and we hope that you have a very, very Merry Christmas. We love you dearly, and big hug and a kiss from me to you. Mwah. We will see you soon. Bye, friends. Merry Christmas.